friends, welcome in my channel. Today we will make Dora cake. So let's see the ingredients. The ingredients are 1 tablespoon of oil, half tablespoon of vanilla essence, half bowl of maida, half bowl of milk, half bowl of milk powder, 1/4 bowl of sugar powder, 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder and half tablespoon honey. So first we will add the maida, then we will add this sugar powder, milk powder, now we will add this baking powder. And first of all we will mix all this. Now we will add oil and then we will mix it. Now we will add some milk in it. We'll mix these ingredients. Now we will add honey. And now we will add vanilla essence. You can see the consistency of the batter. So like this should be a consistency of this batter, okay? You can see that I have poured the batter in this piping bag, so I will make from this. First of all, I will pour some oil in this pan. Now I will clean from this tissue paper. Now I will cover for 30 seconds on low flame. After 30 seconds, we will open this. We will flip all the Dora cakes. Now we will again cover this for 30 seconds. You can see that it is ready. See, it is ready. So now we will take in the plate. Now we will pour this melted chocolate on this Dora cakes. We will cover with this. can see that chocolatey, yummy and tasty Dora cakes. So you like my video, so please like, share my video and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.